Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the best Facebook ads to use for your painting business and for painters. So let me share my screen and we'll get started. So I'm actually going to show you guys what other people ads that they use. And then I'm going to tell you guys what to do and what not to do. Because sometimes people post ads and they don't really know what they're doing. So I'm going to show you what not to do and what to do basically on here. So you guys can actually go to this same library. Just go to the website right here, Facebook/ads/library. Type in painters or paint or whatever, and different ads will pop up. So you don't want to look at the newest ads because the newer ads are the ads that the people just started running. They don't know if they really work yet. So we're not really going to look at those. We can look at them just to see what they're doing, but I'm not going to take them, on their word for those ads that they're working and they're solid, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys exactly what type of ads I like to use. The setup for the ad will be in a separate video, so stay tuned to my channel for that, and it's also on my course. But for right now, we're just going to look at the best ads and the worst ads here. So what you want to do for your business, before and after pictures, those work very well. So I'm seeing a before and after picture right here. Those do work well. Now, something to note, don't do this on your ad. You see how there's gray spots here, there's gray space. So they did not crop this image correctly, okay? You guys want to make sure you crop your image correctly, okay? So that's one thing to note. And then also big paragraphs like this. Do not do big paragraphs like this, guys, okay? You do want to be doing emojis. Emojis are good. People like emojis, so do emojis. But don't do the big paragraphs like this. You want easy one sentence lines. You want bullet points with emojis mixed in. That's what we want to go for. So before and after pictures are great. The picture is the most important thing about your ad itself, okay? So make sure your picture is very good. And another style ad I like to do is this ad right here. You see how he's just painting the paint on the wall, and he's a painter. And you obviously know what type of ad this is when you look at it because you can see him painting. You want to do the same exact ad, except have the customer in the picture giving a little thumbs up, in the picture. So do that same ad, but have the customer in the picture. You'll actually ask the customer, hey, is it okay if I take a picture for social media? They'll say yes, and you take a picture, okay? So do that ad, but just tweak it a little bit to make it a little bit better, and you guys will be, right on track, okay? So you guys have found the two images I like to use, the before and after picture and this picture, but have the customer on the image as well for this one. If you guys do that, you guys will be on track, okay? Let me see here. And then this ad's pretty darn good. This is kind of the format I like to use. So the phone number at the very end, don't put the website. No one cares about your website. They just need a way to contact you. So just put your phone number there. Think of it as if they're a kindergartner. You want to walk them through the step-by-step process as simple as possible. That way they can really just follow through and do what you want. Okay. So if you're giving them a phone number and a website, it doesn't really help, them call you more because they can just click on your page and see your website right on your page. Okay. So the website down here doesn't really help. Other than that, I think you guys basically know, what I like to do. I'm going to tell you guys one more thing. Also, I like to say hello, St. Louis and nearby areas, exclamation mark. And then right here, you put we offer painting services and just put your services. You can make this longer, but just put emojis before each sentence. And then also just have your phone number down here, call or text. And then don't have the website here. And then just those 3 lines is what you need for the text. Okay. So you guys know the image, you guys know the text. I'm going to end the video on that. And hopefully, this is very valuable for you. And I will catch you guys on the next one. So see you guys.